Welcome to optimizing your LG UltraGear monitor for the Xbox Series X. Want the best visuals from your Xbox Series X on your LG UltraGear monitor? This video covers the optimal settings for 4K at 120Hz, variable refresh rate, and high dynamic range. We'll get you set up for smooth, vibrant, and tear-free gaming. First, let's look at the Xbox settings menu where you'll enable these features. Next, variable refresh rate eliminates screen tearing for smoother gameplay. High dynamic range enhances colors and contrast compared to standard range. Finally, see your LG UltraGear monitor in action with these optimizations. To achieve 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, you need an HDMI 2.1 connection. This standard provides the necessary bandwidth of up to 48 gigabits for high-speed data transfer. Ensure your LG UltraGear monitor and Xbox Series X are connected with a certified HDMI 2.1 cable. This guarantees compatibility and stable performance. Then, in your Xbox settings, set the display resolution to 4K UHD and the refresh rate to 120Hz. This ensures the console outputs at the optimal specifications. Screen tearing is a common issue where the monitor and console refresh rates don't match, causing visible horizontal lines across the screen during fast action. Traditional VSync locks the refresh rate, but can cause input lag and stuttering when frame rates drop. Variable refresh rate technology solves these problems by dynamically matching the monitor's refresh rate to the console's output frame rate. To enable VRR on your LG UltraGear monitor, access the on-screen display menu and enable AMD FreeSync Premium, which is compatible with Xbox Series X VRR. On your Xbox Series X, navigate to Settings and enable Variable Refresh Rate under Video Fidelity options. This setting synchronizes the display for smooth gameplay without artifacts. HDR, or High Dynamic Range, enhances contrast and color depth to create more realistic and vibrant visuals on your LG UltraGear monitor. To enable HDR, navigate to your Xbox Series X settings. Go to General, then TV and Display Options, select Video Fidelity and Overscan, and choose Video Modes to set it to HDR. Calibrate your LG UltraGear monitor using the Xbox's built-in tool. Go to TV and Display Options, select Calibrate HDR, and adjust the maximum luminance test until the checkerboard blocks in the center appear uniform. Proper calibration ensures accurate colors and contrast, avoiding washed-out or overly dark scenes. This maximizes the HDR capabilities of your LG UltraGear monitor for better gaming visuals. First, access your LG UltraGear monitor's on-screen display by pressing the joystick button located on the underside of the monitor. This opens the main menu for adjusting settings. In the OSD menu, navigate to the Game Mode option and enable it. This reduces input lag to as low as 1 to 2 milliseconds, ensuring smoother gameplay on your Xbox Series X. Next, ensure HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color is enabled for the specific HDMI port your Xbox is connected to. This supports the full bandwidth needed for 4K 120Hz with HDR. Some LG UltraGear monitors may require a firmware update for optimal Xbox Series X compatibility. Use the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone to check and install any available updates. When connecting your Xbox Series X to an LG UltraGear monitor, you have two main color format options, RGB and YCBCR. RGB sends red, green, and blue color channels directly, providing full color information, but requiring more bandwidth. YCBCR separates luminance from chrominance, making it more efficient for compression and sometimes better for certain displays. Different YCBCR subsampling options like 422 or 444 affect how color data is sampled and can impact visual quality. In your Xbox video settings, experiment with both RGB and YCBCR formats, especially YCBR 422 or YCBCR 444, as they may resolve black screen issues or enhance color accuracy on specific LG UltraGear models. Experiencing black screens or resolution drops? Double-check your HDMI 2.1 cable. Ensure it's properly connected and supports the full bandwidth for 4K and 120Hz. Ensure your monitor's firmware is up to date. Older firmware can cause HDMI detection issues or resolution instability. Update through LG's ThinQ app or their website. Try switching the color format in Xbox settings. Switch between RGB and YCBCR to resolve black screens or color issues, as some monitors work better with one format over the other. If problems persist, consult LG's support website for model-specific solutions, or check Xbox community forums for user-reported fixes and troubleshooting tips. Stay current with firmware updates for your LG UltraGear monitor and Xbox Series X. Regular updates enhance HDMI 2.1 compatibility, improve VRR stability, and refine HDR calibration for better performance. Future updates may introduce AI upscaling for non-4K games and enhanced HDR10 Plus gaming support with improved dynamic metadata, allowing better scene-by-scene brightness and color adjustments. For even better HDR performance, consider future OLED UltraGear models. OLED technology provides infinite contrast ratios, delivering deeper blacks and more vibrant colors compared to LED panels, enhancing immersion in Xbox games.